the Anker Power Drive 2 Elite with the integrated lightning cable. It is non-removable. It also has an extra USB-A port. You can use it in the car or add it to the power station to add more charging ports to it. 55% charged. So additionally, you can also plug in any other universal USB Type A ports. You can see the power output is around 9 watts, charging an iPhone 11, 55%. Now it's outputting 13 watts. It's a really fast charger. So I guess the total rated power output combined, let's see, it is 2.4 amps max per port and 4.8 amps total. Times 5, that is around maybe 23 watts. If I want to plug in additional devices. A Type-C, for example, to charge a iPad. Now my iPad is charging at 74%. Let's take a look at the total power consumption charging these two devices at the same time. Looks like the power consumption dropped to 6 watts. Okay, 55%. $13. $15. So it takes a while to recognize two devices. 16. And it sort of reset itself. Okay, 17. Well, I think that is the maximum I was able to get from the iPad and the iPhone 17. 16. 14. It fluctuates. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you find this review helpful. That's the real power output.